Good day to everyone wherever you are watching this tutorial, and welcome back to Boss Fashions TV. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this trending kaftan pocket. Before we go into cutting of the pocket, let's quickly interpret this pocket. This pocket has a flowery taping and it has flowery line in the middle. To achieve this line, we are going to make this flowery fabric our base or foundation, and we are going to cut this black on them. That's how to achieve this pocket. And for other pocket as well, this is the same method, or this is how to interpret it. You study the pattern or the design very well. You decide the one you are going to make as your base and the one you are going to use as the overlay. Let's go straight into today's tutorial. To make this pocket, the first thing we have to do is to cut out the foundation. And we are looking at the pocket. We are going to duplicate the foundational pocket. The second one is what we are going to cut out to make out the pattern. So let's go. Already this is the foundation and it has been duplicated into two pieces. Now I'm going to draft the design. As you can see, here is the tiny lines on the pocket. So we are going to cut this thing out, and we are going to paste it on the real pocket foundation. So let's cut this thing out. If you want to make any pocket, you can use this method to achieve your pocket. Just duplicate the foundation or the basic pattern of the pocket. Then you construct whatever design you want to make out of it. Remain this one. Now to this one. We are done cutting. You can see this is it. The next thing, we are going to place our fabric on this pattern and glue them together. Now this is going to be our foundation, the real foundation. We are going to trim it this way. While we have the excess, we are going to fold in like this. So let me trim this edge. That's all about that one. This one as well is all about how the image is. We are going to fold this side, fold this side, fold this side, fold this side. Then this one is where we are going to attach to the folding part. So we leave the excess at the edge before we iron it. Just showing you the process. And you can use this idea in creating another design entirely. This is another part. We have to fold here, we have to fold here, while this edge will be the same as this. Yeah, sorry, off camera, I went to add little fabric to this edge. In order to turn this place very well, we have to notch this place. This is the final one. This will be on the edge. We are going to add little fabric here as well. So for you watching this video, don't make the mistake. We are going to notch this place too. The next thing now is to fold the edges in. Everything is set for joining. You can see I add little Emmy gum here to hold my folding in place. Same thing applicable to all. Now we find the center of this by ironing. And if you don't want to iron it, you can mark it out as well. But I'm going to iron it. After done ironing, I will go back to the sewing machine and stitch them just like this. This one will be here, just like setting it. Just set. Okay, you can see now that the thing is forming already. This is it. So let me join it, then we are going to complete the rest. So now this is the back of our pocket, and this is the look of the front side. The next thing now, we are going to fold this place in. We are going to use hemicomb as well to secure it down. After that, we are going to cut our stripe on bias line. I will show you what bias means now. The thread they use to make fabrics do go like this. This is one line of the fabric of the fabric. The other one goes like this. I hope you can see it. This thread is grain line. This thread is grain line because if you hold both sides and pull, this thread won't allow the fabric to stretch. The second grain line is this. That's why we have two grain line on a fabric. If you hold this on the both edge as well and pull, it won't draw because of the wool. And now to the main business, gray bias line. These are bias line. These are bias line. When you go across the fabric, if you pull this place, it will be stretchy because there is no thread that goes through this line. Because there is no thread that goes through this line, so if you hold this place and this place and pull, it will draw. That's what bias line means. So this is our bias line. Let's proceed. I have bias line of like 1.5 inches. I didn't even measure it. This is 2 inches. I'm sure I'm still going to trim it. So we are going to place this way. Then you sew around this place. When you get to this place as well, you fold it in and sew. Then And let me go to the machine and show you. Here is it. I've joined it. I'm going to turn it out this way. Press. After pressing it, I'm going to seal the back with any gum as well. And so we are achieving our pocket already. As you can see on this channel, you will notice I'm not only teaching you how to sew, but I'm also teaching you how to be creative with the idea we are sharing on this channel. So please, I'm begging you, subscribe to this channel. Don't leave this channel without subscribing to this channel, and also share this video for others to know us as well. Thanks as you do so. I'm done pressing and I'm done sealing the backpack. If you like, you can add button to this place. Thanks for watching.